Today's episode is all about transforming the American manufacturing workforce through cutting-edge technology. EON Reality has launched a groundbreaking initiative, the AI for Manufacturing Renaissance Grant Program, designed to address the critical skills gap in today's advanced manufacturing sector. By leveraging spatial AI and XR technology, this program will help workers learn complex manufacturing tasks 4x faster, creating a workforce ready for the future of electric vehicles, robotics, and AI-enhanced manufacturing systems.
That's right. As U.S. manufacturing continues to grow with $7 trillion in investments, including massive projects from companies like Hyundai and TSMC, the need for skilled workers is more pressing than ever. The EON AI for Manufacturing Renaissance initiative focuses on accelerating training for critical roles, including EV battery assembly, robotics operation, and high-voltage systems safety, all with interactive XR training powered by spatial AI.
And what's truly revolutionary about this program is its ability to create interactive 3D training simulations in real time. EON's spatial AI technology allows complex training materials like automotive assembly manuals and EV battery blueprints to be transformed into immersive XR courses in seconds, providing workers with real-world, hands-on training experiences without the need for actual equipment. This technology is dramatically accelerating learning speeds and improving knowledge retention.
Exactly. And this initiative is not just about learning tasks. It's about preparing workers for AI-driven manufacturing environments, where they'll need to collaborate with robotic systems, interpret data from smart machines, and make predictive maintenance decisions in real time. EON Reality's platform is ensuring that workers gain AI-era competencies from day one, making them NATO-ready and able to seamlessly integrate into the high-tech manufacturing ecosystem.
This program is transforming the workforce, and it's already making an impact across Georgia and other states by providing affordable, scalable training at a speed that traditional methods just can't match. With AI-powered personalized learning, trainees can move through tailored courses faster, gain micro-credentials, and secure employment in high-demand fields.
It's an exciting time for U.S. manufacturing. And with EON Reality's innovation, workers are not just ready for today's challenges. They're prepared for the future of manufacturing, where AI, robotics, and data-driven decisions are at the heart of every operation.
Thank you for joining us on yet another deep dive. And remember, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep diving deep, everyone.